In this quick Viber tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable read receipts, also known as scene status, on Viber. Let's get started. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Now tap the More tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, select Settings, then tap on Privacy. Under the Privacy menu, find the Send Scene Status option. To turn off read receipts, simply switch the toggle off. This prevents other people from seeing when you've read their messages. If you want others to see when you've read their messages, turn the Send Scene Status toggle back on. Keep in mind that when you disable read receipts, you also won't be able to see the read status of other users. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable read receipts on Viber. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick Viber tips, privacy settings, and how-to tutorials.